Hi, my name is Mackenzie Dillard, and this is my marital vision. A little about me. My name is Mackenzie Dillard. I am 23 years old. I live in the great state of Texas, here in my hometown. I'm also in my last year of college, which is super exciting, and I plan to be teaching the 24-25 school year. So that's super exciting. And yeah, um, my marital vision, I have some strengths that I would like to see within my partner one day and within myself of resolving problems. And I think resolving problems is very important and to not shove things under the rug type thing because I feel like that can add up and build up. And that also leads to honesty. Always be honest. I want them to be honest with me. I want to be honest with them and show that integrity to one another. And yeah. And I also think that forgiveness is so important because not only do I make mistakes on a daily basis, but I'm sure so will my spouse. We all make mistakes. We all, it happens. So I think forgiveness is very important within a marriage because if you don't forgive, then your love is going to die. And then there's respect. I respect, I expect as much respect that I give, and I will respect you all the way until the end. Um, I think that no matter what, you should respect one another, even if you're in an argument or whatever the circumstance may be. I think that you should still respect your spouse. And sometimes sarcasm can come off as being disrespectful. So I know a family that does not do sarcasm within their marriage because it can come off as disrespectful and rude. And then it causes arguments and it's just uncalled for. And I also think making time together, like I want my husband to be able to say, okay, we're going to do this, or we're going to go on this date, or we're just going to simply watch a movie together. Like, I really, I really want that in a relationship, and I want to be able to share that as well and do that. Um, I know personal weaknesses that I may have are communication and forgiveness and stuff like that. And I know, like, within a marital partner, communication can also be a weakness for some, not communicating well or making sure communication is clear. I also think body language is a huge factor in all of this because the way someone portrays themselves in every situation is a huge factor. And tone, it's like you can say yes ma'am, but if you're screaming yes ma'am, it's not like you're being ugly. I think that tone matters a lot, especially whenever you're speaking to one another. And so I know that can be a weakness within marriages that I've seen. And I really love this quote: the notion that you can save your relationship just by learning to communicate more sensitively is probably the most widely held misconception about happy marriages. I really love this because it goes right back to communication and your tone of voice. And for a while, I actually struggled with that, and I'm better at it now. And I've seen other families struggle with that. Um, Thank you for coming and listening and watching, and can't wait to get through this semester.